Good day everyone, you are welcome to GeoGI Solution tutorial channel. In this video, I want to take you through the shapefile of Kwara State Geology. The shapefile of Kwara State Geology is now available and is very useful if you want to produce the geological map of any study area within Kwara State. If you need this shapefile, you can check the description box. The link to get it will be there. So let me show you something about the shapefile of Kwara State Geology. So if I right click and open the attributes table, here you can see various attributes of this very shapefile. You can see the geology, you can see the code, you can see the year it was digitized, and also the formations each geological unit belongs to is also here. So for example, let's categorize this shapefile using the geology field. So to do that, come back to this geology shapefile, right click and click on properties, then come to symbology and click on categories. So the field I want to use to categorize is the geology. Then I'll click on add all values. Here you can choose appropriate color for each geological units and click on OK. So you can see various geological units or rock types in Kwara State. You can see it here. Now for example, let's assume we want to create geological map of your study area. Let's assume this Keyama LGA is my study area and I want to produce the geological map of this very area. So it's very simple. What I will do is to clip out my study area from the whole state. So to do that, come to geoprocessing and click on clip. Then our input feature, click on the drop down and select the Kwara State Geology Shapefile. And our clip feature will be our study area, in this case Keyama LGA. So just specify where you want to save it. So let me save it here as geology for instance. And I will click on save and click on OK. So what that does is that it will cut out only my area of interest or study area from the whole shapefile. Yes, it is done. So I can uncheck this and zoom my study area to layer. So here is my study area. So now I can categorize it as well, just as I've done for the whole. To do that, right click and click on properties. Then come to categories, and we are categorizing using the geology. So you can choose appropriate color for each rock type and click on OK. So here is the geology of my study area. So from here, we can take it to layout and add all map elements. To do that, click on layout, and here I can change the orientation to landscape. To do that, come to file and come to page and printout setup. I want landscape. I'll click on OK. Then I can choose a template here. I want landscape template and click on finish. So let me quickly add all other map elements, and here is it. You can add all other map elements as deemed fit and then export it. So to export it, come to file and come to export map. So give it appropriate name. Let's call it Keyama Geology. Choose your format and click on save. So it has been exported. Let's check it out. And here is it. Let me open it. Yes, here is it. You can see how easily I produced the geological map of this study area from the original shapefile. So if you need the shapefile of Kwara State, you can check the description box. The link to get it is there. And if you need other state as well, you can get it through the link. Thank you for watching.